What is up, guys? This is Connor from the Mountaineer Trading Group. Today is November 2nd, and here is this week's market recap. We've had an awesome week this week. We got a bunch of trades there in profit. We got a bunch of trades that we've been able to reduce our risk on. We got a couple trades that we're looking to get into that we have pending buy stop orders on, and we're going to go over all of that here in this video. First, we're going to look at Polkadot. Polkadot we had a great entry on. We were able to get in at $46.50, and right now it's over $52, which is great. We were able to reduce our risk, and we moved our stop loss up a little bit. Right now what we're looking for is we need price to make a pullback down into these EMAs, and then we're looking to buy in again. We're looking to scale into our position so we can add more on. And then what we're looking for is price to take off and make another new high, and then come back down, touch this previous high. But right now we were able to move our stop loss up a little bit. If we can get another pullback here and make a new high, we'll be able to lock in some profit underneath that most recent low. Let's take a look at Solana. Solana's doing great. We were able to get in at $219, and right now we're sitting up over $244. We're killing it. We were able to move our stop loss up a little bit too already, which is perfect. And we're looking for the same thing that we were looking for on DOT on here. We need a pullback back into these EMA lines, and then a break of the most recent high, and we'll be looking to enter in another position here. But so far, since we were able to move our stop loss up and reduce our risk, we're looking great. The third coin that we have a position on right now is VeChain. VeChain we got triggered into earlier today, and we were immediately able to pull our stop loss up about 50% underneath that most recent low. So worst case scenario, if we get a pullback here and it stops us out, we're only going to lose 0.5%. So it's no problem there. But VeChain's looking great, solid uptrend. It looks like we're gonna pause here around this previous most recent high. Probably gonna go sideways for a few days and then punch up above it. But VeChain's looking great. So here we have a pending order on Bittorrent token. We're looking to get in if price breaks above 0045. Right now it's looking kind of iffy. We have these giant wicks here. Shows that there's a lot of people selling. Not a lot of strength to the upside. We're kind of going sideways here, but we're going to keep an eye on this one. It's just a pending order so far. If we get filled, that's great. If we don't, no problem. We'll find other opportunities. We have a pending order on Doge, but right now it's looking like this trade setup might be invalidated. As you can see, this most recent candle here is below the 21 exponential moving average, which is that red line there. And since it's below there, it's not really showing us that we're in an uptrend anymore. It's showing us that the bulls are running out of strength and that the sellers are in the lead here. And we really need to see this candle to close above this 21 exponential moving average for this trade to still be valid. If this candle closes below the 21 exponential moving average, we're going to delete this pending order and we're going to find another opportunity. So that's Doge. Let's take a look at Theta. Theta's looking really good. We got a pending order on Theta. We're looking to get in at $8.69. If we can break $8.69, we're going to be into the trade, and we'll probably be able to reduce our risk immediately. Theta's been a sleeper. It went ham a couple months back, and then it's been going sideways for a few months. But when Theta goes, it's going to go, and we're going to be ready to take advantage of that trend as soon as it starts. We're excited. So we have a pending order on Theta. We're looking to get involved. We're going to keep an eye on this one. We actually need to set an alert here. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin we don't have any pending orders on. We're just going sideways here. It's just a consolidation mode right now. What we need to see is we need to see a break of this most recent high, and then we need to see a pullback, and then a break of that high as well. And then we'll look to get involved here. But Bitcoin's looking all right. Just, it's not the strongest among the group so far. Elrond is looking super strong right now. Elrond has been killing it. Right now we're not in a trade, but we are looking for a pullback. We want to see a pullback down to this green exponential moving average, and then we're going to look to enter a pending order. This is going to be a good one. Not a lot of people know about Elrond, but Elrond is a mover, and we're going to be ready to get into it as soon as we get another pullback. We want to get in on a sale. We don't want to get in after it's pumped like 20%. So we want to see a nice pullback into those EMA lines, then we're looking to get involved. FTT, not looking so great. A whole lot of sideways. As you can see, we got a red candle that is below all of the moving averages right now, and this shows us that there's no trend. We're not going up, we're not going down, we're going sideways. So there's no opportunities here right now. We're going to go on to the next coin. Let's take a look at ADA, Cardano. Cardano has not been looking hot lately. We've been in a solid downtrend for a couple months now, and it looks like the downtrend is just continuing here. As you can see, our exponential moving averages are facing downward from left to right. The red is on top of the yellow and the yellow is on top of the green, indicating that we're in a downtrend. And price and the candlesticks are below the moving averages, and they have not been able to break above them. So what we want to see is we want to see price to start making new higher highs and higher lows. And we want to see these moving averages switch from descending to ascending. And then we'll look to get involved. But right now, this is a downtrend. We're not looking to buy yet. We need confirmation that the uptrend has started again before we want to get involved. Let's take a look at Shiba. Whoa. Shiba got crushed. Looks like we're down over 50% in the last couple days. Yep, 51%. It's not looking good. We had a candle, a big red candle that closed below the moving averages. So it looks like this uptrend it's either over or it's going to consolidate for a while. So Shiba's not looking like a buy anytime soon. We'll let you know if the trend decides to change, but as it looks right now, this is looking like a big sell. And the last thing I wanted to go over is I wanted to check out the Bitcoin dominance chart. So what the Bitcoin dominance chart is it takes the market cap of Bitcoin compared to the market cap of all the other altcoins. And this will tell us when Bitcoin has relative strength compared to the rest of the crypto market. Because there's things called Bitcoin season and there's altcoin season, and they rotate. And it's hard to tell which one starts and which one's ending, or and sometimes they even go at the same time. But the Bitcoin dominance chart is a key indicator that'll notify us when Bitcoin is about to be the big mover. And right now, it's not looking like it's started yet, but as you can see, we have a bit of a cup and handle forming. This is a bottoming formation. As you can see, there's losing a lot of strength to the downside, and the bulls are taking over from here. But it hasn't started yet. This is an early sign. But over the next couple months to the next year, we could see Bitcoin be the biggest mover. And the Bitcoin dominance chart will be the first indicator to let us know when that starts. So that's it for this week. We went over all the coins that we are in, all the coins that we're looking to get involved in, and the ones that we're not looking to get involved in. If you have any questions, hit them in the comments section, subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next video.